Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter your email on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. So let's get started. First, open the Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you will find the enter email option. Tap on the enter button right beside it. Now, in the provided field, enter the email that you want to add. Finally, tap on the submit button from the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can enter your email on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.